Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. You're welcome.
Okay, so you see, we finished off the bottom part. But you see how we're going horizontal with the boards now? That actually wasn't what we were originally going to do. Originally, we were kind of just, we've never really had an original plan.
No.
But we were going to just continue, like once we got the boards here. We were always going vertical, but we were going to frame it in with this wide piece of hemlock here. We were going to frame in the whole top. That's just what we thought of after we already had it here after talking with a buddy of mine. But I don't have enough of that here, and I don't want to have to pick any more up because it's not close, and I'd have to get it milled by them. I know it's not much, but I don't want to go through that hassle.
Yeah.
Because they're busy too, right? But so what we decided to do is run them horizontal, these boards, to break it up.
Yeah, switch it up a little.
So I like the looks of it.
We like it, so.
And that'll break up the gable end on both sides, and we have all the wood here already to be able to do that. And then instead of going vertical and, you know, it just breaks it up. I think it makes it look nicer.
Yeah, we could even stain that beam or something. Like the big one that breaks up the middle.
Yeah,
I don't know.
right?
Do something.
We get different ideas for maybe making it pop later.
Yeah.
So happy Canada Day to the Canadians. Happy Independence Day.
Yes.
Happy 4th of July for the Americans.
Yep.
Because that'll be past, what's the date first? That'd be like Sunday or something, right?
Oh, okay.
So we'll throw that out there now so we get that out there to you guys.
Yay.
So have a great Independence Day weekend, 4th of July weekend, Canada Day, midweek Canada Day thing, whatever you're doing.
Yeah.
Right? But I think it's going to look good. That's it.
Yep. So this morning, Huey here finally cock-a-doodle-dooed for the first time. A proper one. He's been trying for the last week or so, and it just sounds awful. It sounds like something that's dying. But today, he did it for the first time, and I was so proud. I came out and I was cheering him on. I was clapping. I told him, a good boy. And then he did it like 3 or 4 more times just to make me proud. Hey, Huey? He's finally become a real man, our baby. We forgot to tell you guys that when we got him, he's only 3 months old. So he's like, I mean, he was just over 3 months, so he may be pushing 4 months now. So, yeah, our boy's all grown up already. Huey! And he's doing great with the ladies. There's a storm brewing in the air. We gotta pack up and get in fast.
It's awesome, eh?